The story of a great Chinese calligrapher, Wang Zhiji.
Mum, I can't believe I've lost the competition. I attend the calligraphy class every week. Am I not talented enough?
It's all right. Winning isn't everything.
Hello, Jason. I am Dr. Owl, the guardian of the night and the symbol of wisdom.
Hi, Dr. Owl. My hard work has not paid off. I'm sad.
My young friend, losing a competition doesn't always mean a lack of talent or skills. We need to put in a lot of effort to achieve our goals. Have you ever heard of Wang Zhiji, the famous Chinese calligrapher? Jason, I'm turning you into Wang Zhiji.
Oh, but I've just learnt Chinese calligraphy for 6 months.
Take it easy. It'll be fine. Wang Zhiji was from the Eastern Jin dynasty. From a young age, he was determined to become good at calligraphy.
I'm so excited about learning calligraphy. I want to practice more and refine my skills.
At home, Wang practiced calligraphy every day. After his practice, he would clean his brushes in a nearby pond. Over time, the pond turned black because of the ink. That's why people called it the ink pond. No matter whether he was taking a rest or walking in the street, he kept practicing on his clothes with his fingers. In the market, he practiced brushstroke movements while he was doing some shopping. In the countryside, he thought about calligraphy while he was having a walk.
How graceful the geese are when they move their heads around. I get it now. My wrist should turn as smoothly as a goose's neck.
Wang Zhiji once served as a general in the army. One day, the emperor summoned him.
Wang Zhiji, I am planning to hold a worshipping ceremony in the countryside. I've heard of your excellent calligraphy skills. Can you please write some words of blessing on a wood block for me?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I have completed the task. Please have a look at the woodblock.
Wonderful! Ask the engraver to carve the text written by Wang Zhiji right away.
General Wang's handwriting was so powerful, and all the characters went 3/10 of an inch into the wood.
I have never seen words that could go so deeply into the wood before. It's so impressive!
The story of Wang Zhiji's calligraphy work quickly spread across the country, giving rise to the well-known saying, going 3/10 of an inch into the wood. Wang Zhiji was an amazing calligrapher. He created many masterpieces with his brush. He was honored as the sage of calligraphy by many generations thereafter.
Wang Ziji's passion for calligraphy and his determination are really inspiring to me. I now realize that hard work leads to success.
You're right. Rome wasn't built in a day. It requires continuous hard work and persistence to achieve your goal.
I'll keep practicing and never give up. I would like to be able to write like him one day.
I'm glad you love Chinese calligraphy. It's not only a beautiful art form, but also a great way to understand our culture and traditions. Let's explore and appreciate the work of other calligraphers.
Apart from Chinese calligraphy, can you identify other cultural traditions? These traditions involve a range of activities and events that are part of your daily life, including festivals, cuisine, dance, clothing, language, and music. Find out more about these traditions and share your discoveries with your friends.